How to apply Bank of America credit card online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in apply for Bank of America credit card and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option. Find and apply for your credit card online at Bank of America. Open it. You'll be directed to this page where you're gonna find different credit card options. Scroll down, check for the credit card details, and select the one that you want to apply for. Here you're gonna find different options. For this video, I'm gonna select travel credit card. You just have to go ahead and click on the option of apply now. Now here you're gonna find details of the card. You can go through it. Then scrolling down, you have to fill this form. You'll need to complete these steps, and with that you'll be good to go. So this way you can easily apply for Bank of America credit card online. For other credit card as well, you have to apply the same process. That's the wrap for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.